In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset the waste ink counter on your Epson EcoTank 16600 and similar models. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here. All right, so jumping right into the video, what we need to do is actually go to inkchip.net and click on WIC. There will be a link for it down in the description below, but basically we're going to download the software. You do need a Windows computer for this. Now you're going to select WIC to get to the page where you can actually select your language and download the software. So we are still in the process of downloading the software. This is the application that's downloaded onto your Windows computer, and you can open that up and begin the downloading process. You're going to click yes, okay, go through all the prompts to actually download the software, and you will be presented with different languages. Of course, select your language. Mine is English, so I'm selecting English. Once I've done that, I now have this application that will be opened on my computer, and I'm going to select my specific printer model. Now, it is important to note that you do need to be connected directly from your PC, computer, or laptop to your printer with a USB cable. So once all of that has been settled, we can now purchase a key, a reset key. So we are going to actually click on WIC, and this is the page where we will be brought to where we can actually purchase a WIC key. Now you can use discount code BESTPRINTERS for 10% off. I highly encourage you to do that. Now this key is going to cost you about $9 after the discount, and so you're going to purchase it. You are going to then receive an email with the actual key. You are going to copy this key and go back to your software, your application that's been downloaded. And that is where you can actually click on Reset Waste Ink Counter, insert your key, and then go through all of the prompts until you have successfully and fully reset your waste ink counter. All right, so once you have gone through the entire process, your printer may have reset. You can actually click on Read Waste Ink Counter, and you should show all zeros on all three categories, and that will show and indicate to you that you have fully reset the waste ink counter on your Epson EcoTank 16600. Again, remember to use inkchip.net and the promo code BESTPRINTERS for 10% off. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.